Hello, my name is Jeff Sear, and this is my final project for GIS 510, the web map. There is a current housing crisis in the county of San Diego. There is not enough affordable housing for the middle-class families. The city council has hired a real estate agent or analyst, myself, to evaluate parcels of land and real estate within the county of San Diego, California. The goal is to evaluate the number of middle-class homes within the incorporated San Diego. The governing body suspects housing developers are only developing for financial elite. They would like to know how many single-family homes are within a specific range and area of the community. My first analysis question, which is my map is based off of, is how many single-family homes are located in the incorporated parts of San Diego. And they have specific requirements. Under $200,000, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a pool. And here's my map. As you can see, I have the attribute table open and the data that was needed. It was originally over 1 million parcels down to 206 that met the specific requirements for analysis question 1. Let's pull this down a little bit, and I have in red the analysis questions. And as you can see here, let's pull this down, ranging anywhere from just under 200,000 all the way down to 0. And then those are the districts right here in the blue. And back to analysis questions 2 and 3. How many of those specified homes are within each of the incorporated council districts? And then how many of the homes are within 1 mile or 528 feet of a park? As far as the data, they were shape files, both of them. And like I had said, the parcels data was over 1 million. And this is where I got the data from. Great site for San Diego area data called Sandig, SanGIS. And it's a data warehouse with all this different data. Okay. Now, as far as spatial analysis, the results of the spatial analysis provided a list of homes that met specific criteria for the council. The results found reduced from over 1 million down to just 206 homes. This is a very small amount considering the population of San Diego is over 1 million. As far as future analysis for the second and third question, this should shed light on what council areas are most severely hit with the housing drought, and as far as parks, are there any parks located within the areas that do meet the criteria? And with that is the conclusion of my video. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.